You heard it right there. The Massachusetts Attorney General, one of 14, filing a federal lawsuit against TikTok today. This suit is separate from the national security concerns that TikTok is also dealing with here in the U.S. The lawsuit alleges the app violates the state's consumer protection laws and specifically targets young users. To discuss the suit today, we brought in local attorney Austin Dana. Attorney Austin Dana from Ketch's Law Group, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
So Austin, something interesting about this case, all 14 were filed separately with each state. Is there a strategy to doing that instead of filing them in one case?
I think each one of these complaints is being filed within each separate state because each state is going to have their own consumer protection laws, which are going to govern each one of the complaints.
Okay, so that makes sense. Now, the suit says TikTok is harming kids' mental health and is becoming addictive. I mean, we've heard that from countless organizations and states before, but how will the AGs actually prove that in court? I'm assuming that's something that's difficult to say, you know, we have the evidence here that this is happening.
So I don't think that anybody can really say that mental health isn't being affected when children are spending hours and hours scrolling through TikTok videos. So they'll bring in psychologists and they'll bring in other people to come in and testify to that effect. But the damages are going to be pretty clear when you take a look at all the children that are involved in using this platform hours each day and the effect that it's had on their mental health. From a broad view, looking at the group of children that are affected, you're going to see some pretty drastic effects on their mental health and well-being. So I don't think they're going to have that much difficulty in establishing that damage has been done here.
Okay, interesting. Now, this lawsuit obviously targets TikTok, but what about the other social media sites? Do you think that we'll soon see lawsuits against them as well, or do you think we're going to wait and see how this all shakes out?
TikTok's the defendant in this complaint, but I think a lot of these other social media platforms are using the same types of algorithms and things to get children addicted to their platforms. What we're looking at here are things that send notifications to tickle them and get them on the app if they've been off of it for too long. There are constant scrolls that these children are being exposed to so that they don't even have time to think before they decide to start watching the next video. And this fear of missing out aspect that once you post a story to these platforms, it's going to disappear in 24 hours. So you better get on there and watch that story, because if you're not on in 24 hours, you're going to miss it, and all your friends are going to be talking about it. So all of those things are common to all of these platforms, so we very well may see more complaints against other social media platforms going down the road here.
All right, Austin, very interesting stuff. Thanks for being here today and breaking down that lawsuit for us.
Thank you.